Welcome back, y'all. So I'm going to continue my Temu unboxing or unbagging. I keep wanting to say unboxing because that's usually what you say, but it is bag. But anyways, so next, these things, I saw an advertisement for these online, actually before I saw it on Temu, and I thought that I would try it. They're little hair tools. I'll have to show you like a picture of how to use it or a video tutorial, but basically it helps you do certain hairdos. Like you can pull your hair through the loop and then you like can stick it through like a bun or whatever, then it pulls the hair through it. So it's supposed to help with that. So I could always use extra tools and tricks for doing hair because my hair could be, well, it's a lot, so it can be a lot to deal with. So I'm excited for this. I got 2 pieces and not bad prices. Looks like there's an even skinnier one on here, so I guess that'll come in handy. But yeah, so I'm excited to use these. I'm not sure how exactly it's gonna work out, but I have high hopes. So next from the goodie bag, ooh, yes, Disney. This is a Mickey or Minnie Mouse themed claw clip. You know me and my hair accessories. I be needing my claw clip. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at that texture and the color. Oh my gosh. It's like a lavender purple with the marble kind of combination. It's got this metal teeth. It's got that hinge on the back. It's got little Mickey Mouse ears. Is that not adorable? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. It's definitely too small for me to put like all my hair up in it, but I could totally do like a half up, half down style with this. You know I'm gonna be wearing this at Disney. So excited. Next. I don't know what this is. What is this? It says random color strip. Huh? 260 piece. I honestly have no idea what this is. Like, I don't remember ordering this. It's like color strips of paper? It's like thin strips of construction paper. I don't know if you can see that. See the texture and everything, but what is this for? What is this? Well, that was certainly interesting. Not at all what I was expecting, but okay. Little paper strips for little stars if I want to. Nice. I guess that goes to show, check carefully what you're ordering, or in the one-click pay, be careful of what you're clicking on to pay for. Next, ooh, another Disney item. These I'm also so excited for. They are these little charms for your Apple Watch. So basically, to my understanding, you stick them on your watch band and they're just little added accessories for your watch. I thought they were super cute, and I thought about getting just like a new, whole new watch band that was Disney themed, but I thought if I got these, then I could wear whatever watch band I wanted to, you know, like whatever color or style or anything, and then I can just stick these on to the watch band, and so it's just like an added accessory to whatever one I want to wear. And I also thought they were really cute. They reminded me of like charm bracelets and cute things like that, so I thought, hey, why not? These are super cute. Another good bargain. Stuff I would never have thought to get unless I saw it advertised on Temu, so thank you, Temu. Next, this is a new kind of fun little something or other that I wanted to try that I've never done before. And it's basically, well, they call it an eyeliner aid, but you can also use it for mascara or, you know, like other makeup techniques. Looks a little weird, but basically it's a little tool to help you out with shaping your eyeliner Or something that I'm a little bit more excited about than that, because I don't wear a whole lot of eyeliner, is the feature on here. If I can show you this mascara drawing aid is what they call it. Or basically you put it underneath your eye, or you could do it on top of your eye while you put your mascara on, and it keeps it from bleeding or getting on your eyelid. So that happens to me all the time when I'm putting on mascara, and I thought that would be a really nice thing to have. Putting the lower end down here. So you kind of put it like that. How does that work? Okay, so if you put it like that, then it kind of protects your eyelid when putting on the mascara. You can also use it for lip liner, eyeliner, or mascara. It also says face cream application aid, which is what this little piece is for. The like cream or whatever onto there, and then you can apply it to your face, and that's supposed to help. So I'll be interested to see how that goes. Oh, yet another thing that is not what I was expecting it to be. These are car coasters, and the theme is Totoro, the Studio Ghibli movie. Amazing movies, check them out. So got these little coasters here, as you can see, little Totoros, and then they got little designs on the inside, little characters. I thought that was really cute. I needed new car coasters, and I love Studio Ghibli movies, so I thought this was perfect. However, I was expecting them to be ceramic, you know, thick, hard type ones, you know what I'm talking about? The traditional car coasters, basically, that you see in stores. And these, as you can see, are like little rubber padded mats, kind of. So I guess that might be good. I don't know. I'll have to check them out. They won't tarnish as easy as the other ceramic ones will. We'll have to check it out and see. Again, that was probably just me not checking everything properly. Really need to check all the details when ordering off Temu, because it might look one way and it is totally different. But I think it usually is included somewhere in the description or the title or something like that. So just check carefully when ordering. It looks like last but not least is this LED multifunction motion sensor rechargeable lamp. Quite a title. So I'm gonna unbox this because there's not really a whole lot you can tell from the box. So I got one of these because Carter wanted one. Not a whole lot to it, you know, pretty simple, pretty basic. It's rechargeable, and then it came with this, so I guess it's like one of those stick-on magnetic type. Haven't had the best luck with some items, so we'll see how that goes. And then of course it came with a little charger cord, so we've got that. And yeah, I mean, you know, it's small, it seems efficient, should be fine. Take off this little wrap here. Satisfying, isn't it? So I'm interested to see how that turns out. Okay, so that is my Temu haul. I really enjoyed using Temu. At first I was a little skeptical, like, oh, this seems a little, you know, maybe sketch, I don't know, but it's not sketchy. It's just, you know, the quality, it comes and goes. Some items are incredible for the price, and then some items are like, okay, yeah, that's pretty accurate to the price. So it just depends on the item. Check your dimensions, check all the descriptions and everything, so you know exactly what you're ordering before you do it, and really watch what you're doing in that one-click pay, because you miss things sometimes. So that is all I have, and those are all my bargains, and thank you for watching.